Say?
Yeah, I'll give this to you because you're gonna get sick.
Aw,
If you don't get it.
really? Aw, thank you, baby. Thank you. But I'm gonna use the other umbrella, okay? Because this one, I can't fit in my bag. Okay? Thank you, baby. Ano ba to? Baby, I'll leave it here so you can use the umbrella later, okay? But I will use this because it's smaller and it can fit in my bag. Okay? Bye! Ate, pasiraso ako ng gate. Baby, can you close the gate? Okay po. Bye, me. Bye, baby. Bye. Bye-bye. Ah. Saan na siya?